Hi mga igala, mayong buntag. So today is June 20th, Monday. As you can hear, that's the machine. I'm doing some printing for the creation of the book. So right now I'm doing some bookkeeping and issuing of receipts. As you know, Cebuano 101 is now a business, so I have to do the adulting part, um, the issuance of receipts, the bookkeeping, maintenance of the books, and paying my taxes quarterly and annually. So yeah, I just wanna give a I want to give a shout out to some of my um, patrons. Okay, I wanna say hi to Mariesca Lozada, hello, and who else? Lensay Shepard, hello, mayong buntag. And Bart Vamos, mayong buntag as well. Also, Albert, hello, Albert Funner. And last one, maybe I'll give Jacob Lumberson, mayong buntag kaninyong tanan. And daghang salamat sa inyong suporta for being with me for the past, I would say, more than a year. Some of you are with me for like 3 years, 4 years or more. So daghang salamat sa suporta. You guys helped me building my career. Um, basically my I like teaching Bisaya-Cebuano to all of you guys. So you guys have helped me build this career as I like to teach and create Bisaya lessons. So yeah, so that's for this morning. And currently now I am, while doing the bookkeeping, I'm printing the back side of the vocabulary list. And then I realized this one is a bit too low. I still have to cut the pages up to this about an inch from the bottom, and then I forgot I placed the logo at the bottom here. So nevertheless, I can still use these cardstocks. So later this afternoon, I will go to the post office and verify the measurement of the learning kit and check some information that I have, because I have a lot of questions about the shipping. So I have to go back there. I actually went there already last 2 weeks ago, and I just asked some very vague questions when I went there. So now that I have more detailed questions, I will go back there and ask these questions about the shipping fees. Is it door to door? How many days, especially right now due to a lot of worldwide problems. So I need to check with them so that I can give you a more accurate information on when the package will arrive and how much is the actual shipping fee or close to the actual shipping fee, because I don't want to overprice or underprice the shipping fees. So yeah, so I need to settle that one maybe later this afternoon. So for this morning, I will be finishing the bookkeeping, the issuance of receipts, and some of the printing. Yep. What I'm doing right now is setting up the shipping rates for the site. I will be using the post office registered mail because it is more reasonable, and then the price is way cheaper. So I will be using the Philippine Post service because they are the cheapest out there, mga higala. Sila ang pinaka barato. So they are the cheapest out there. Hi mga higala, Judy here. So I just came from the Philippine Post Office, and unfortunately they only have, for the express mail, they only have Canada, Japan, and the USA. These are the countries that they have the express mail service. So that's gonna be around 2 to 3 weeks delivery lead time. The rest are non-priority mail, so they are considered as registered mail, and because of what's happening around the world, the delivery lead time is 1 to 2 months. Oh my goodness, 1 to 2 months. I don't know if so that's it for today, June 21st. So they actually give me a new list of the Philippine Post staff there gave me a new list, the new pricing, which is not available yet on their website. So good thing they gave me this one. So I have to re-encode everything, the rates, just to make sure that I don't overprice and underprice the shipping fees. I don't want to overprice you guys, and I also don't want to underprice because that will mean a loss on my part. So yeah, that is not sustainable if I get a lot of losses. Hi mga gala. So now it's already nighttime, June 21st. I found another shipping courier, which is the name is JRS Express. Luckily, I remembered them, and when I checked their website, they just relaunched their website, which is so um, amazing because I it's like just today they relaunched their website and I was able to check the rates, and the rates that they were offering international shipping for 1 kg, um, it is actually reasonable and way cheaper than other international couriers. So it's the rates are actually closer to the Philippine Post, which made me so happy. So now I'm gonna be using JRS Express for my international shipping, especially for the learning kit. For the 1000 for the items below 1000 grams, I will use the Philippine Post. As I've said, the Philippine Post right now, I will be using registered mail for below 1000 kg. No, 1000 grams or 1 kg. So so unfortunately, due to what's happening worldwide, the registered mail is it's the delivery lead time is going to be 1 to 2 months. Okay, just want to let you know guys about that. So 1 to 2 months for the registered mail, those items below 1 kg. For 1 kg, I will be 1 kg and above, I'll be using the JRS Express, which the delivery lead time is 7 to 10 days. That's really good already. So mga gala, this learning kit is going to be a pre-order basis for now, since this is a new product, this is a new physical product. I don't know how many will order this learning kit. So it would be best that you guys will for those who are really interested in the learning kit, it would be best that you guys pre-order it. And that means if I say pre-order, you also pay the learning kit and the shipping rates as well. So I hope you guys will understand that this is going to be a pre-order basis, so that because I don't know how many of you guys will order. I don't want to have a lot of inventories, and I don't want to deal with the inventory problems later on. So yes, that's all for today mga higala. Hope you are going to support me in this adventure, in this endeavor that I created. As you can see, I did a lot of overtime for this learning kit. So yeah, that's all mga higala. Dagang salamat, and please stay tuned in for the launching of the learning kit. Bye! Amping!